Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will see 10th Standard Social Science chapter Social and Religious Reformation Movement. Important questions with answer for a quick revision. In this chapter, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayananda Saraswati, Vivekananda, and some other religious and social reformation leaders who are actively participated for bringing changes in society. Now we shall see question with answers. Question: what was the 19th century considered as? Answer: age of reformation and new awakening, because a 19th century new section, that is educated section, is actively participated in bringing changes in religious and social. Next, which was the center of a new awakening in India during 19th century? That is none other than Bengal. So Bengal region is where that new section of society, that educated section, is worked for the bringing awareness. What do you mean by social reformation? The movement which aimed at reforming the society. Why did the British put forth the theory of a white man's burden? British believed that it is their duty to civilize Indian as a civilized class of people. Britishers were told that they are here to make civilized Indians. They That's why only they are forced Indian to adapt their culture, education, tradition, and their food habits, everything. Who enacted the Sati Abolition Act when? Raja Ram Mohan Rai in 1829. What was an example for Raja Ram Mohan Rai's thirst for knowledge? Raja Ram Mohan Rai learned Hebrew and Greek languages to read Bible in its original form. Why Dayananda Saraswati gave a call back to Vedas? Dayananda Saraswati realized that the remedies to the various maladies of India are present in Vedas. In Vedas itself, there are everything. The nerve of Indian system was there. So she called, go back to Vedas. What message did the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa give to the world? One has to attain moksha through dhyana and bhakti. Whom did Swami Vivekananda met in Mysore before he leaves for Chicago? Chamaraja Wadayar 10th. What were the newspapers started by Annie Besant? Two newspapers, those are Commonwealth and New India. Answer the following questions in 2 or 4 sentences each. What was the condition of Indian society during 19th century? Many communities were ill-treated. Women had no rights. Caste system was in practice. Gender discrimination. Sati system. Widow remarriage restriction. And denial of education to Shudras. How the Tagore has summarized the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Rai's service? He summarized in two. They are: Tagore has called Raja Ram Mohan Rai as the harbinger of modern India, and also he called Raja Ram Mohan Rai the prophet of Indian nationalism. What made the Indian tradition to hate Vivian Deraggio? Vivian Deraggio tried to instill the spirit of a free inquiry in the minds of his students and colleagues. He also worked towards creating textbooks to inculcate new education system. Why was Prarthana Samaj established by Atmaram Panduranga? To find solutions to various problems faced by women, to find solutions to various problems faced by lower caste groups, to interpret Hinduism, to provide education for women, to provide rehabilitation to poor. Which were the social reforms advocated by Satya Shodhak Samaj? Satya Shodhak Samaj. To address social problems, to provide equal rights to non-Brahmin class, to provide equal rights to women, to encourage the education of Shudras, to establish hostel for girls, to fight caste and gender discrimination. What are the aims of Aligarh movement? To advocate English education among Muslims, to advocate social and religious reformations, to fight against traditions, superstitions, ignorance, etc., to oppose Farda system. Explain how Swami Vivekananda was a source of inspiration for youngsters. Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission. He worked to establish a casteless society, voiced against exploitation, poverty, illiteracy. Vivekananda believed that people should be educated first. He wanted people to stop following the Western ideals blindly. Vivekananda's speeches mirror his nationalist ideas. Vivekananda inspired the youth by declaring, "Arise, awake, stop not till you reach the goal." What are the main aspects of Periyar movement? Non-Brahmin movement to reject racial supremacy, to oppose Sanskrit language and literature, to establish an equal society, to criticize caste and gender-based discrimination. Ramakrishna Mission established with various views justify. To serve humanity, to carry the message and thoughts of Sri Ramakrishna, to spread nationalistic awareness, to promote cultural development. Why started Shuddhi movement? Sorry, who started Shuddhi movement and why? Shuddhi movement started by Dayananda Saraswati in order to bring back the Hindu people who were converted to other religions. Answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. The 19th century is considered as the age of reformation and a new awakening time in the history of India. Justify. English education was introduced. A new class of educated Indians were created. Growth of a nationalism. British interest in reforming the society. Birth of identity called Indian. Collective efforts of reformers. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is the pioneer of social reformation in India during the modern times. Summarize. Founded Brahmo Samaj to reform Indian society. Raja Ram Mohan Roy aimed at removing caste system. He fought against superstitions. He tried to develop rationality. He advocated monotheism. He opposed meaningless rituals. He opposed polygamy. Write a note on the life and reformations of Dayananda Saraswati. Dayananda Saraswati was born in 1824. Was born at Kathiawad of Gujarat. His name was Moola Shankar. He had received good education. He wrote a book, Satyartha Prakash. Dayananda Saraswati founded Arya Samaj. He encouraged intercaste marriages, rejected polygamy and child marriages. He declared men and women are equal. What were the social reforms initiated by Swami Vivekananda? Founded Ramakrishna Mission. He worked to establish a casteless society, voiced against exploitation, poverty, illiteracy. Vivekananda believed that people should be educated first. What were the reformation activities of Annie Besant? She tried to reform Hinduism. Annie Besant opened schools. She started Central Hindu Banaras College. She published New India and Commonwealth to discuss on current problems and social issues. Annie Besant advocated that Indian culture is far more superior to the Western culture. She published New India and Commonwealth to discuss current problems. Explain the contribution of Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam. He aimed at strengthening the backward and exploited communities. Advocated one caste, one religion, one God for human beings. Championed Vaikam movement, removal of restriction on women's dress to secure basic human rights. This is about this lesson. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.